Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to make gorgeous neon effect in your video in just one click like me. If you want to do this, you need to download and install Filmora 11. After install Filmora 11, just open it. I am going to open it. After open Filmora 11, then click here to import your video, then select your video. I am going to import this 3 video for editing. Okay, after that let me change my ratio. Okay, I am going to drag this video in this timeline, then go to effect, go to AI portrait, like this AI portrait, then okay, AI portrait, then you can choose any neon effect from here. Let me choose this. Okay, click here to try it. Look, in just one click you get a amazing neon effect from here. Let's try another one. Let's delete this effect. I am going to try this one. Look, it's look amazing. You don't need to use any other software like After Effects, Premiere Pro. You can easily get neon effect in your video in just one click. So I am going to put the download link Filmora in my video description. Go and check there and download Filmora 11. In Filmora 11 you can edit any video easily like me, and you can also get many neon effect in just one click. Let me try another one in this clip. Okay, then click here to effect, then I'm going to choose another effect like this. Try it. Look, it's look just amazing. Okay, I'm going to give the full resolution to it just for you watch it clearly. Okay, look, this neon effect just awesome. You can get this neon effect in just one click. Let me try another neon effect from here. I am going to put this. Okay, let's try it. Look, it's also amazing. So in this way you just get neon effect in your video in just one click. You don't need to edit many things. It's easy in Filmora 11. So if you want to get neon effect in your video, just follow my step, download Filmora 11 and get your favorite neon effect from here. Thanks for watching guys.